Another video, and today, what? Okay, that was really weird. Like, it stayed on 0 for like, the camera stayed on 0s for like 2 seconds. And I mean, it's 10 seconds, so. Anyway, so today we're doing a house tour. This is part 2 of my Bali videos. It doesn't matter if you have seen part 1 or not. They're not really connected. But I just thought about it, and I might be posting some pictures like a Bali sunset because that's really nice. The water park. In part 1 there's like, basically we go on a motorbike ride, and I'll show you something to do in the motorbike ride. No spoilers, but we pass this big water park that we might be going to. That's really exciting. Anyway, let's get on with this house tour. So, we start with the front gate. Not the front door, that's the front gate. I'm outside. And the inside is that way. So here is the front gate. Then we've got these really nice gardens. We've got the pool over there. And there are like these stepping stones that I like. I don't really like walking on the grass. So my socks are a bit dirty. But we come over here. I'm not going to go in the pool gate because my sister might want to go in. And there's the pool. Hello. Sorry. I know my parents let me just like slide Molly's face in the clips, but still, I'm trying not to. So I have to go in backwards so you don't see my reflection. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. So now if we come in here, so we start the inside. So we've got the cot. My sister actually sleeps, so that might be bad. My sister actually sleeps in a bed at home, but we got scared that she might land on the concrete floor. What is that? That's not in any other room. Really? Sorry, my sister is following me everywhere. And here's a bed that I could have slept in. But I got to choose. I was the only person in the house. Yes, I'm Gigi. And then here's the bed, our parents' bed. And then if we come in here, it's kind of like an outdoor room because as you can see up there, it's the sky. It's not a skylight, it's sky. Actual sky, as in the bathrooms are open. Next we'll head into my room. So this room's my room. I've got the Duplo thing there. This place had Duplo. So I've got my bed, my iPad's charging. I've got some of my clothes. Bathroom, again I've got open air. It actually smells in my bathroom. Why are you following me? You can follow me all day, every day. Except for now. So now I've got the main room. This is going to be tricky. Sorry. Oh my god, I'm so stressed. We've got a big mirror there. That basically we've got the kitchen. We've got the main cabinet. So we've got stuff there. There. And these are my two favorite toys. I'm embarrassed to admit it, but I've slept with this one every night since I was born, and I have slept with this one since, what, July? July 2019. This one's a lot newer. This is Pinky and Rainbow Monkey. Very individual names. Anyway, I think that's the entire house. I really hope you liked our villa, but if you want me to do a house tour, I want like my actual house. Get me to 3,000 likes and I will do a proper, like, the house that I live in tour. Anyway, like, subscribe, and click that little notification bell so you get notified when new videos go up. And until next time, bye!